Hi guys, something a bit different. I don't normally do this sort of stuff. I've got a problem with my little Peugeot, my little workhorse, get me to work and back. Airbag light keeps flashing. It's come on the other day. I've checked the usual wire connections, fuses, even the on-off for the passenger airbag. This is what happens. Okay, obviously I haven't got a seatbelt on. Airbag light just flashes away. So, I've bought cheap Chinese OBD, or should I say BD, yeah, OBD2 scanner. Cheap one off eBay, not opened the packet yet, just see if it'll shed any light. So we'll have a quick review of this launch Creeder 319, $21.95 off eBay. Now I'll get the camera mounted up and we'll give it a go. Right, let's open it up, take a look. No manual. Oh, very basic manual. Fairly straightforward. Very plasticky. Cap on the end. Cable tie. So I've not even opened this, first time I've opened it. Quite a long cable. Protective film. Basic controls, which we'll have a look at in a second. Let's see what we have to do. Turn the vehicle ignition on. Right. Vehicle throttle should be in closed position. Locate the DLC socket. There's typically a standard 16 pin, blah blah blah. Connect a diagnostic cable to the VLC. So, just says ignition on, doesn't say whether the car should be running. No, we'll just give it a go. Now with the Peugeot 107, the OBD connector is here, where my hand is, just past the stereo. Let's get this in. And we're plugged in. Right, main display. DTC lookup, tool setup, help. So if we go diagnosed, see if it comes up with any errors. Processing. Quite a few to process, I think. Might take a while. There's a lot of files to check. Sorry about the reflection, but it's quite bright out there. There we go. Readings OK 4. Red lines 4. Data stream count 20. And test the O2 sensor. Evap system mode. No idea what these mean. Data stream. Can erase codes, read codes. Onboard monitoring. Go back. I'll start it up. See if the error code comes up. Diagnose again. Again, taking a little while. Airbag light still flashing away. Right. Read codes. Getting support data. The vehicle has no fault codes. So wherever this light is that's flashing on my airbag, it's not coming up in the system as an error. So I'm still at square one. As I say, I've checked all the wiring, plug socket connectors, fuses, and it's not affecting the vehicle, but it is an MOT failure. Thankfully it come on a week after I'd had it MOT'd, so I'm okay for the next 12 months. So, handy little device for £22. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for looking, and we'll see you in the next one.